everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In this video, we will see how to show the data for the first months selected. For example, I have said first months and I have given 4 over here. So if you see Jan, Feb, March, April, their data is shown over here. If I go here and I change it to first 5 months, it shows up till May. If I go here and I say first 2 months, it shows me only Jan and Feb. It's a completely dynamic chart, and let's see how we prepare this chart in Excel. This is our data set. I have given a help column where I have numbered the data from 1 to 12. Let us create a drop down. So I say list. I select this and I say okay. Let us just increase and I'll just put a value over it. Sorry for the disturbance. Just had a cough. Now I have written the first 4 months. So that is, I want this data point to be shown in the graph. We will be using the offset function for this requirement. If you want to learn about the offset function in detail, please refer to the video in the card and the description. So I will say offset and I want to start from here. Then I want to go down one row. Then I don't want to go to the column. So that is, I'll start from here. I'll go down one row and I'm not moving across columns. Then I'm saying give me a height of 4 and for the width I'm giving 1. So height and width are optional arguments. So what it means is I start from A1, I go down one row, then I'm saying don't go across column. That means they'll still remain over here. And then I'm giving a height of 4. So it will give me Jan, Feb, March and April. Let me just enter it. You see here, it is giving me Jan, Feb, March and April. It is showing a spillover effect because this is one of the more recent versions of Excel. That is why you see here. You see in this spillover, the formula is disabled and the formula is active only in the cell in which I typed it. We have to do the same thing for the units sold also. Before that, let us go here and lock this cell of ours. Now just copy this, paste it here. Instead of A1, put B1 over here. And you see, we see the respective data points over here. Now we want the chart to be plotted only for this. If I change it to 5, I get 5 data points. If I say 8, I get 8 data points. It's completely dynamic. So let's go and do the rest of the steps. First, go here, copy this formula, go to formulas, name manager, select new and refers to paste this formula and the name you write is as date values and do OK. Now go here and copy the second formula. Again go to name manager, new, in refers to, paste it and say unit values and OK. So if you see, if I go to name manager and I see date values and I click here, you see it is highlighting that particular dates over here. And similarly, if I go to unit values, it is highlighting the unit values over here. Now what you need to do is go usual and create your clustered column chart. Delete the axis, delete the series, make the axis in black color, bold it, increase it, I'll just use the font. Select your series, format data series. Just adjust the gap width so that the bars are a little thicker. Select it, add data labels. So just a normal chart we are preparing. Select it and change the color to your particular requirement. For example, this. So this is a normal chart which we have prepared. But how do we make this dynamic in nature? That is, when I am saying 8, it should show me only 8 months and not the entire 12 months. So what you need to do is you need to select your chart, go to chart design, and then go to select data. If you see, we have both our axes over here, the date values and the units sold. First, go to the x-axis and say edit. If you see here, after the exclamation point, just delete it. And here we are going to add that name manager which we have created. So press F3 button, you get your name manager values, and press date values over here because the x-axis is the date values, and do OK. Now for the y-axis, which is units sold, again do edit, and here in series values, again delete the data after the exclamation point. So I have deleted it. Press F3 and say unit values and do OK. So if you see, we have only 8 months present. If we go here and do 5, we see only 5 months data present. This is a completely dynamic chart because what offset does it expands or contracts the ranges depending on our selection. You can see our data, it is expanding or contracting depending on what we have given it. That is, offset is a navigational tool. It gives you a range of cells, but you have to say from where to start, from where to end, what would be the height and width of that range, and then return that range. So this is how we do the first months in a dynamic chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.